Introducing Axon blood glucometer. I will simply demonstrate how to use Axon blood glucometer correctly. First, take out the lancet device and Axon blood glucometer. Take the cap off and place the lancet into the pen. You will hear the click as it goes into the place. Twist the lancet head and uncover the lancet. There is a needle on the top. Pop the cap back. You will notice there's some numbers at the top of the cap. This corresponds to the depth at which the lancet pricks the finger. 5 being the deepest and 1 being the shallowest. 1.5 is usually suitable for everyone. Next, place a Strix into the top of the meter. Get ready with the alcohol pads. Wipe your finger to make sure it is clean. Hold the lancing device firmly against the side of the finger. Press the release button on the side. When you got enough drop of blood, just place the drop of blood at the end of the strip. You will get your result in 5 seconds. Remember to dispose the used lancet and strip properly. Place the lancet protective disc on the table. Push the lancet tip into the disc. Eject the used lancet into biohazard waste bag. Push forward on the ejection button. Also, not forget to eject the used test strip. Press the release button on the back. Finally, eject the used test strip into biohazard waste bag. Next, I am going to show you how to set the time and date for Axon blood glucometer. Press the M button for 3 seconds. Set the date. Set the time. Press the M button and done. Axon blood glucometer, a reliable, smarter choice. Get it now.